Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I just got done with my skincare and we are starting today with some really good breakfast. So let's start prepping. I need to get a lot done today, so I'm going to put on some makeup and feel my best. And that's my makeup for today. I think I'm going to tie my hair up. I shall figure that out. And I'm going in with a little bit of bow situation because I think I'm obsessed with bows lately. We are heading to the library now to get some serious editing done that I have been putting off for days. So let's get going. About to start with my skincare routine. That's when my Amazon parcel just arrived, so let's unbox. I have been eyeing these carrot toner pads for quite some time. These have been out of stock for like such a long time, so I'm really happy that it's back in stock and I can finally use them. I got this super cute PJ set. It's super comfortable. I really like that. Next I got a sunscreen spray. This is from ⴅSOILɪ and I really want to try this out. It does not leave any white cast and it's non-sticky, so I can definitely see myself using this sunscreen spray a lot this month. The last thing I got is this video light. I have been debating a lot if I should get this or if I should not. So let's see, I'm going to unbox this and figure it out. Okay, so this has a little bit of a strong scent to it. I'm not sure if it's the ingredients or there is scent added. I cannot actually figure that out. But if you guys do not like scent, you know, scented products and all of that, you probably would not like this. I'm going to keep this on and unbox my video light and probably call it night. Such a productive day so far. I got done with a few shoots that I wanted to do. I did mention in one of my New Year's videos that I would focus more on clay arts and things that I love creating. It's been 6 months, you guys, and I haven't done what I planned on doing. So today is going to be the day. I feel like clay arts make me feel like a kid again, and that's something that I really love doing. I have been wanting to create something this way for quite some time now, so we're going to go and have some fun. I feel super relaxed creating art, but I'm also super hungry at the same time, so I'm going to treat myself to some sushi and some momos. I love getting home deliveries from Asia Kitchen and Food. These are like my top 2 restaurants when it comes to Asian food. My food is going to reach me in another 45 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and get my makeup removed, do some skincare and take a shower. Of today. First thing is to take care of our health, so a little bit of workout, and then I want to try out sauna. I've heard it's super relaxing, so let's go. Sauna was pretty fun. I did shower and got a little bit of makeup done. The next thing on the list is to get a manicure done. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my nails have been like super messy this entire video, if you can't already tell. I'm also planning to get some gel polish in so that it looks a little bit nice and put together. For my outfit, I wanted to try this Pinterest inspired outfit. I feel like it looks super comfy and super breezy, so I'm literally all in for that. So I'm going to dig my wardrobe and see what we can work with. So I threw on a white crop top, these blue pants, and I did not really have a shirt with me, so I stole this from my husband's wardrobe, and I pretty much really like the fit. It's super comfy as well. I did try a similar outfit before, but it was all white, and I have to say blue is real fun. For my scent today, I'm going in with gingham from Bath & Body Works and orchid from Zara. I feel like these two pair really well together. It has a very clean girl scent, and I feel like this outfit is literally giving that. This one is a beautiful, fresh kind of scent. I am really enjoying this look, you guys. Let me know if you guys like this look or you guys think like it's okay. This was an MSG order, so it did take around 2 months to get delivered, and I'm so happy that it's here. First, I have the most viral Fino hair mask. This has been going so viral all over the internet, so I really wanted to get this and try it out. I really want to know what this smells like. It has a very sweet floral scent. I'm super excited to be trying this out. I also did pick up the Pheno hair oil. I really want to try both these together and then give you guys a final review. Next I have these toner pads from Neatly. I've heard great reviews about these toner pads, so I want to try these out as well. And lastly I have the Anoa's Heart Leaf Soothing Toner. I did try this out when it arrived and I pretty much really like it. Super lightweight, literally feels like water, so I think I'm going to really enjoy this during summers. And pretty much that is it for my Macaroon haul. I will review all of these products and give you guys a detailed review. And pretty much that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in the next one. Bye!